Hi, this is Natalie with Balloon and Bash, here with a tutorial made specifically for my Cerulean balloon garland kit. This is what you'll find in your kit. Let's start by inflating all of our small 5-inch balloons. Here I'm using a handheld balloon pump, which I strongly recommend. With a handheld pump, I aim for 2 to 3 full pumps of air. If the balloons in your kit are double layered, you'll blow the 2 balloons up together, then tie only the inside balloon. Next, inflate all of your medium 11-inch balloons in the same manner. If you want to achieve a more professional look, try pressing the balloons either on a table or against your body while releasing some of the air. This is going to give them a rounder shape and will also reduce the risk of popping. You'll see here I'm using an electric balloon pump. This helps speed up the process, but it's important to know electric pumps don't usually work with the small size balloons when they're double stuffed. For small double stuffed balloons, you'll need a handheld pump. After you've inflated all of your 11-inch balloons, go ahead and inflate your 17-inch balloons and set them aside. Now that you've inflated all your balloons, it's time to start stringing them onto the plastic deco strip. Start by filling every 2 to 3 holes in the strip with your medium 11-inch balloons, alternating sides as you go. To fill the hole, just pinch the lip of the balloon and pull it through the hole until the knot comes through. If the balloons start getting crammed, you can skip holes as needed. Now it's time to hang your garland. I suggest using command hooks, which are available online or at any Target or hardware store in your area. It's a good idea to place your hooks on either end of where you want your garland to be. Once those are placed, use twine or curling ribbon to connect the garland to the hooks. Here I'm using 260Q modeling balloons instead because that's what I happen to have on hand. Once you've hung your garland, adjust the balloons so they look exactly like you want. Then take the 17-inch balloons and space them throughout the garland evenly. Since the knot in the large size balloons are a bit bulky, I recommend threading only the lip of the balloon into the hole, not the knot itself. Finally, add your mini 5-inch balloons to the garland using your glue dots. Here you can space them around to fill any awkward holes you might have, or you can cluster them together, it's up to you.